Hello, today I will showcase an internal cheat I've been working on with my friend. This cheat is made for a private WoW server called TurtleWoW, and today I will show you how to set it up and what are its features. So the link is in the description. You should get the source code there, and after that's done you can open the project in Visual Studio and then you should be able to build it. Make sure it is set to release x86. You can go to build and hit build solution, or simply press Ctrl+Shift+B, right? You should see an information that, let me see, if you build it, you should see an information that build 1 succeeded. And after you get this info, there should be a DLL file generated, which is your cheat. After the cheat is ready to go, we need to get it into the game. And we can do it by using something called an injector. The link will be posted in the forum. In the forum link in the description. So I will be using Xenos. The way it works is we simply select the process, which in our case is exe, and then we need to add our cheat here. So we press add. We go to the base directory of the project, we go to build, Win32, release, and there you should see a DLL file. So you want to open that one. And after that is done, we can press inject, and you should see an information with this log which states that cheat is initialized essentially. And you also should see this menu, which is resizable. There is a chance that it will look something like that. Simply just drag it, make it bigger. So yes, this is the cheat menu, which is hooked now into the game. You can toggle it with insert, and you can detach with end. So if I press end, then the cheat is detached, it is not in the game anymore, and we can inject it again. If you try to inject it while the cheat is injected, then it will throw an error. So this is the cheat menu. It is divided into 3 categories: general, teleport, and ESP. I will briefly talk about all the features. So let's start. Air swim, if you turn it on, you can swim in the air essentially, as the name suggests. Anti-root, some mobs in this game root you. This allows you to essentially disable this effect. Infinite jump, in WoW, if you spam spacebar, then as you can see there is a check which checks if you are in the air. So you can't jump infinitely. However, if we check this feature, then I can, as you can see, jump infinitely. No full damage, pretty self-explanatory. If you fall from a high latitude, let's say, you won't take any fall damage. Superfly, essentially, if you walk and press space, it allows you to float. Pretty cool. We have unlock zoom. In WoW, the maximum zoom value is capped, so this unlocks it so you can zoom really far away if you wish. So yeah, and we can keep going as you can see. So let's disable that, and let me get a bit closer here. Then we have falling speed. This is essentially slow fall. So if I jump here, as you can see, I will fall very slowly. Jump gravity, here you should see a slider. If you tick this box, which sets your jump gravity. So if it's turned off, then this is your normal jump height. And if I change the jump gravity to, for example, -20, then as you can see, we jump way higher. Walking speed, this is a speed hack essentially. The default value is 7. If we set it to 19, for example, then we can walk very fast, right? And the slider goes all the way to 300. You can obviously change it in the source code if you wish to go faster than that. Everything is changeable here. The source code is provided. So you simply need to make some changes and rebuild it. And then we have wall climb. Essentially, there are very steep surfaces in WoW. So for example, if I try to get on this mountain, it won't let me. But if I turn this feature on, I am suddenly able to climb very, very steep hills, as you can see, which is pretty nice if you are stuck somewhere or if you're trying to go the faster route. So this is the general tab. Let's go to the teleport tab. Here, this is divided into two columns. We have Kalimdor and Eastern Kingdoms. So these are the two continents in WoW. This TP hack only works per continent, so if you are in Eastern Kingdoms, it will only allow you to TP to Eastern Kingdom locations, and the same for Kalimdor. So right now I am in Alatalas, and I want to go to somewhere else, for example to Ironforge. I simply press the Ironforge button, and I am right next to the gates of Ironforge. If I want to go to Undercity, I press Undercity, and I am in the Undercity, and the same for other locations like dungeons and so on. So that's pretty nice. Let's go to Ironforge. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Just a basic TP hack. You can add your own locations. Obviously, the code is provided, as I said. Finally, we have ESP. This is fairly useless, but I just wanted to play around. There is definitely room for improvement, but essentially if you turn it on, it scans all the entities and draws some lines. There is also distance shown, and if I'm not looking at any entities, it won't draw anything. And yeah, that's pretty nice. We can draw some lines, we can draw the distance. I have also added distance limiting, so as you can see, I can set the maximum distance of the entities, and you can also set the color if you wish to something else. Yeah, so for example like bluish or something. So yeah, this is more of a proof of concept feature for you to develop it further, but yeah, that would be it for this cheat. So yeah, enjoy.